The inversion of L-function of mod 7 is the same as the L-function inversion of mod 3 and mod 5. Since mod 7 is a prime number, except for chi0 LL are primitive Dirichlet characters, and the odd characters are expanded as negative odd zeta functions, and the even characters are expanded as negative even zeta functions. Chi1 and Chi5 are symmetrical with odd characters, and Chi2 and Chi4 are symmetrical with even characters. Chi3 is an odd character, which is the subordinate zeta function 7, 1 plus 7, 2, minus 7, 3, plus 7, 4 minus 7, 5 minus 7, 6. Since omega of the Dirichlet characters Chi1, Chi2, Chi4, and Chi5 of mod 7 is e to the power of pi over 3I, which is 1/2 plus square root of 3 over 2I. The square of omega is e to the power of 2 pi over 3I, which is minus 1/2 plus square root of 3 over 2I. If the first term of the functional equation and the term of minus 2/7 to the s power plus 2/7 to the 2k power or 2/7 to the 2k plus 1 power are applied according to the Dirichlet character, any L function can be inverted. The inversion of the L function of mod 7 is also established for all regions, and the non-trivial zeros of the L function can be found on the critical line. Even with 70 terms of negative zeta function, the error is more than 8 decimal places. If 800 terms of negative zeta function are calculated with Wolfram alpha, it matches more than 40 decimal places. The subordinate zeta function and subordinate eta function can be obtained by the binomial theorem of the zeta function and eta function, and the L function can be derived accordingly. However, the binomial theorem of the zeta function and eta function is in the converging positive direction, so there is a limit to obtaining the actual L function value and applying it mathematically. The inversion of the L function is the negative zeta function expansion, so it clearly shows the trivial zeros of the L function. Even if the L function values for the even number of odd characters and the odd number of even characters for the trivial zeros are convergent values, the L function values for the natural numbers can be obtained. The alternating sum of the negative odd zeta function and the alternating sum of the negative even zeta function are symmetrical on the critical line. Therefore, the zeta function and eta function and the odd zeta function and odd eta function can be represented by the alternating sum of the negative odd zeta function and the negative even zeta function.